This first ever flying car just completed a 35-minute test drive. And for the first time ever, you are about to see how it drives on the streets. 2-in-1 car and aircraft, created by a revolutionary Slovakian company, Klein Vision. It runs on a BMW engine and regular petrol fuel. It can fold its wings away and be driven around like a normal car. And here is how it drives. This is the future we see for the first time ever. The flying car market is estimated to be worth up to $1.5 trillion by 2040. This flying car can carry 2 people with a combined weight limit of 200 kilograms. It takes 2 minutes and 15 seconds from a car to an aircraft. Its creator, Stefan Klein, said it could fly 620 miles and at a height of 8,200 feet. Today, for the first time, it flew between 2 international airports in Slovakia. For a long time, we've seen flying cars as a landmark of the future, and so it seems like the future is happening right in front of us, right now. Wow, this is amazing. This is really big news. Do you think Stefan Klein could be the next Elon Musk, could totally revolutionize us the way we drive, or should I say, fly our cars? The future is really here.